Hey guys, I just got out of the shower and I just wanted to show you guys how I use a Denman brush for the maximum amount of definition. A lot of people were asking me what I use in the shower. I use just a normal brush. So my hair got a little bit dry, so I'm gonna re-wet it just a tiny bit. And then I'm just gonna take a towel because I don't want my pants to get wet. I will go in with a normal Denman brush. It's not modified, it's not anything. And I'll just brush through my hair once because it's already been brushed in the shower. I'm sure there's gonna be no breakage. So here we go. I just brushed it. You are gonna take your leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna grab like a tiny bit because this one is actually kind of heavy. And I'm just gonna rake through my hair. Make sure to get like all the spots that are in your dry areas. To me, that's like mostly the back. I added a little bit more. That much. So I will just rake through my hair with this. Make sure you don't forget this part right here, the insides. That's where you also want the most definition. But yeah, I'll just go through my hair like this. So this is the interesting part. I grab a little like clip that I stole from my mom. So I will just divide my hair into sections just like that. And this is where the Denman brush makes the most difference. So I just grab the Denman brush, and instead of brushing down, I brush out. And I'll do it again just to distribute the product. But then, see, I'm brushing it out. Even on the side, like on the roots, just make sure you're brushing it out. And after I do section by section, I kind of take a little bit of gel, just literally a tiny bit. This is a curl stimulator. And I'll just go like this. So you don't have to use the Denman brush after this because the gel is supposed to hold your hair together like clumps. So I will just kind of rake it through and squish and squish. And I'll leave it there for now. And then I will take another section. So when I'm taking bigger sections, I make sure to not do the other side because I just want to focus on one side more. So this is a relatively big section, as you guys can see. So I'll take the Denman brush. Make sure to brush out. Brush out. See how that just fell? I'll take a little bit of gel again. Rake it through and then scrunch. Make sure you get the top as well. And then I'll do the other side. So I'll just go like that. Make sure you brush it from the root out. Then I'll take a little bit of gel again and go through it and then scrunch up. So this is where I focus my most energy on because this is like my crown area. So this part I will brush up like that because it gives me the most volume. Then I'll take my gel and I will rake it through. And then I'll go just like this because I like my hair to dry on this side. So then I use mousse. I'm using the OGX coconut curls. I'll take this much and then I will put it all throughout my hair. I will not forget my roots, just like that. It smells so good. But yeah. A lot of mousse in the front because that's where my hair would fall the most, because that's where it needs the most hold. And then I will put all my hair to this side. I want to scrunch it all together. And I'll go like this. Just scrunch the mousse in. And then I'll do it for the other side. So this is what gives me like the most root volume. I'll just go like this. And once I do that, I will grab my gel. I'm using the Instant Frizz. It's a little bit beat up, but it's really good. So I will take this much, and I'll just go like this, and then I'll put my head forward and do that too. So after that, you don't really want to touch your hair after gel because you don't want to mess with the hold. And then I'll just diffuse my hair. I can make a tutorial for you guys and I'll be back once my hair is dry. So there was too much light where I was and I just wanted to show you guys what it really looks like. So my hair is still in the cast and it's still not dry yet, but I just wanted to show you guys up close what it looks like. And mostly for the right here, you guys can see that there's a lot of definition happening on the top. And I know when I started on my curly hair journey, my hair was just not doing that. It was straight up to here and curly all the way down here. Hey guys, so I just did my makeup. Take a serum. You guys can take any serum of your choice or oils, whatever you guys want. And I took this little amount. I'm gonna go like this and I'm gonna tilt my head forward. So let me just bring this down a little bit. So I'm just gonna tilt my, I'm gonna go to the side and I'm gonna do the same thing and flip my hair again to the side and do the same thing. Just make sure you do this while your hair with oil in your hair, because if you don't, your hair is gonna get frizzy. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more because this is a really hard cast. Then I'm gonna use this much more. I'm just gonna shake it like this and put my head forward again. So as you guys can see, my hair is ultra defined. There we go. It's super defined. It has literally no frizz at all. It's still a little bit there's still a little bit of a cast, but it's just gonna go away during the day while I touch my hair a little bit more. But before I go, I'm gonna pick my hair out, and I'm just gonna use a normal pick that I found on Amazon, and I'm gonna slide my head forward and pick out, like pick up. This, you can see that the curl is starting right here. It starts at the top, and that's just because of how I actually use the brush. I'm just gonna pick my hair out. So this is what my hair looks like post picking out. You guys can see that the curls are starting from the top, and they're very defined around my face as well. I had this issue when I was first starting out my curly hair journey, and I really couldn't get my roots to be curly. And also this part right here used to always be straight for some reason, but honestly with this technique it really has upped my curl game. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for tuning in.